I hope they have the lamb squish.
What if it's gone?
Oh my god, it was so cute yesterday. It better not be gone.
Gone forever.
No. Oh my god, look at her. Her name is Mary Jo. Oh my god. Look at the gray one. Elia. Oh.
Bunny.
Look at the bunny, baby. Look at the bunny.
Is that an owl?
Melinda. Oh, it's like a carrot cake. Oh, chocolate bunny. Denora. Paulette.
With carrot top.
Raina. Diddy. Oh, with the lamb.
With the lamb.
Can we get him, baby?
For your money, for your wallet.
Come on, get it for me, please.
We're leaving.
We're leaving.
Bye.
Yes. I got the lamb. Let's go. We are taking Mary Jo home with us. Ah! Day 2 of Squishmallow hunting. We are about to stop revving the engine.
Day 2 of Squishmallow hunting. La, 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 la.
We are about to go to Cracker Barrel and eat some breakfast and check out what squish they have there, and then check out the OG drop at Five Below. Hopefully they're still there. I'm excited and I can't wait. Look at Diana. Cute. They have Pokemon Squish.
It's a pig.
How do you pronounce it?
That furry.
Oh, yeah. Look at the Hello Kitty. Oh my goodness. How cute. Oh, there's the armadillo. Thompson. Oh my goodness. Joel. Look at Winnie. We found one at Cracker Barrel and it was one I was looking for. Well, no, I'm gonna pull it out the bag at the house.
People want to see.
Look at the Hello Kitty. Goodness. They were supposed to have an OG drop, but I don't see any of them. We found them. There's Wendy, Manon, Connor the cow. Look, there's Malcolm.
It's a flying squirrel. What is this thing?
Ah! I really want him.
Flying squirrel?
Something like that. Looks like a flying squirrel. Gary. Aww. Caden. We also found one at Five Below. Yes. Squish haul time. Now I'm gonna show y'all what I got today. So yesterday I went home with Mary Jo. We got her from Kroger's. She has like glittery hands and a heart-shaped nose. She is one of the first to market squish and she is 12 inches. I already took the tag off of her to make her a cuddle squish because she was in bed last night with me. So today we ate at Cracker Barrel and I was able to get a squish from there. My boyfriend got me Diane. She is super cute. She is an 8-inch squish. Look at her feet. Goodness, how cute. Might be my new favorite one, I don't know. And last but certainly not least, we went to Five Below and they had an OG drop. So of course I got one from there. I got Malcolm. He is the first squish I ever remember seeing and like decided I wanted to start getting them. So I'm glad I finally got to pick him up. I think he's really cute. And he is a 7-inch squish. So that's all that I got today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!